Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm beyond excited to show you our new listing located in Westminster. The address is 9250 Quitman Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom standalone home, a little over 2,500 square feet finished, and has been completely remodeled. I cannot wait to show you around. Let's take a look. I could go on and on and on about how incredible this home is, but I think you should come see it for yourself. I will be here this Saturday, June 17th from 12 to 3, or give me a call and I'd love to have a private showing. I'll see you soon.